Hey, what's up guys, this is Amin and you're watching your favorite channel Learn with Amin. Today I'm gonna show you how can we edit our published video from YouTube video editor. This is very important tutorial because sometimes need video edit after published any video and need some changes after published any kinds of video. So this tutorial is very helpful if you want to edit your published video that's already you have published on YouTube but need some changes. So let's get started. Thank you so much. So if you are new viewers in my channel, please hit the subscribe button and please like this video and watch this video start to end. I think you can easily edit any kinds of video from your YouTube video editor. Okay, so let's jump into YouTube video studio. So if you want to edit any video from your published video YouTube channel, so simply go to your YouTube studio. I want to go YouTube studio. Then I want to edit my video and so I want to go the content area is here. Then I want to edit this video, so I want to click here, details. Then you will find lots of options from the left area. Okay, so here is the details. Also you will find the editor. This is pre-built YouTube video editor, so if you want to change anything, if you want to edit your video, definitely you can do this from here. So I want to click here. Okay, so this is our video. Suppose I want to trim on the little bit after 1 minute section for the 2 second or 5 second or 10 second. So how can we do this? So simply you should go there where you want to trim or cut your video. So I want to trim from here. So or if you want to trim anywhere you want, so simply here the option. The first option is trim and cut, so and the second is blur, another one is audio. So if you want to blur any address or something like that in your video, so definitely you can do this from here. If you want to add any audio, if you want, you can easily add from here. So right now I want to trim my video, so I want to click here. Then you will see the option here, new cut. Okay, so I want to cut from my video from here, just a little bit here. If you want to zoom out or zoom in, if you can do this. So I want to click here, new cut. Then you will see the option to end cut. Okay, so just a little bit close and I want to play again. Then if I think this is good, then I want to click here for the cut. And definitely this video is cut from here to here. So this is good, I think. So if you want to cut anywhere in your video, definitely you should again just click new cut and select the area, then check and preview, then click the tick mark. After that you can easily cut the video. Okay, so right now if you want to save this video, you can easily save from here, and after click this video takes some time to remove the area and publish, so you should wait some times. Okay, I think if you want, you can easily do this. And if you are facing any problem when you want to do to trim any video, so definitely you should comment and definitely I will answer your question within 24 hours. And thank you so much for watching this video. And if you want to get more video like this, please hit the subscribe button.